wiring is an absolute mess. 2 servos, 2 LED strip lights done, an Arduino Nano, but it works. LED eyes first, polarity matters. Reverse these and nothing will light up. Let's get this right and keep things moving. The servos will do some funny things, but hey, that's what learning's for. I've got a diagram that you can use and I'll show you how to get everything wired up properly. Trust me, you'll need it. You will break wires, that's no warning, it's a guarantee. I've resoldered more than once on this, but it's been fun. You are going to buy an Arduino Nano, you're going to put the power to the pins to the VIN and the ground. Trigger is going to be D2 and ground, head servo 1's pin D9, face servo pin D10. Come on, keep up, let's keep going. For these LED eyes, you'll want the power coming to D6 and you also want to be in ground. So this is it, all the way at the bench. Everything that you need to get this up and running. And you will keep breaking your wires at first. So I've had to resolder. I missed that ground when I was making the contact. We do have the full build for this now on this channel, so if you are so inclined, you should like, subscribe and get that checking out. You're going to find all the code and the instructions you need in the description. Like, subscribe and join us.